Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have to learn how to find out occurrence. Let's see total sales, total transaction, sales representative wise, we have to calculate. This is simple, but how do we calculate total transaction? First, you can find out unique value of sales representatives. This is easy, but how do we solve with single formula? And let's see how we can solve this problem. If you solve it manually, you can simply use unique formula, unique, and you can select this entire range, F4, and see that you will have the unique value. These many, sales representative we have, and there you can use a formula called count if. Count if is used to find out the occurrence. So here you can see the range. This is the range you have, and simply you can press F4, control backspace, and then you can select this value, and there you can see the occurrence we calculated. But you have calculated two different formula. You can drag it, okay, and see that your answer is coming. But how do we reach this value in a one formula? So you can simply copy this, Control C, and here you can use lat function, lat. So here you can mention your variable, which is easy, but how do we solve this problem, guys? How simple is that? So, this is my data, let me just fix this. Equal to lat. What is, you can say a value equivalent to this, a equal to this. So you can use, unique function here, unique, and unique function, you can select entire array. Okay, you can select entire array. It's not selecting. UNIQE unique. Okay, it's not selecting. So you can see B2 through B68. This is the value we have. And you can simply lock this by pressing F4. Okay, this is A equal to sales rep. Now B equal to, what is B? B equal to, you can mention your entire, see, this is A equal to unique value. And what is B? B equal to take entire data. Okay, and either you can copy this range that is equivalent to B equal to that range. Okay, now you can use formula count if, okay, count if. What is range, guys? B is the range and A is my unique value. And let's see what answer we are getting. Can you see that we are getting this occurrence? This is really great, but you have to find out unique value and simply copy this formula, and there you can use H stack. Okay, H stack. So, you can use in the function itself, H stack, like how we can do this. So, you can use H stack, HSTACK, H stack formula, and then you can use A comma this entire thing. Okay, and see whether it works or not. I'm getting this value, so you don't need that, guys. Okay, and see, this is one formula getting the entire record, and that's how you can use lat formula. If you have to use variable, A equal to unique value, B equal to this, and simply you can use this formula. So for more such recordings and videos, share, subscribe, and love my channel. Thank you so much, guys.